Hi guys, welcome to today's episode on our channel. I am Joshua Victor Emmanuel, and today I want to review the rechargeable portable blender. Okay, it's one of our goals that people who are very much interested in their health would want to get this device with the goal of making smoothies or trying to extract juice for themselves, going the natural way, and so they tend to go for this rechargeable blender. It looked very innovative, of course. By the time you see it, you would want to go for it. But then the question is it worth it? Well, in the course of today's content, we are going to demonstrate, showing you how this blender operates, and then from there we'd like you to make your own decision as to whether you should go for this blender or if it is even worth you spending your money on it. Okay, so if this is your first time on the channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and try to like, share, and also let others see this content. It could be all they need for them to make this very important decision. Okay, so this is the rechargeable blender. All you need to do is to recharge it and then press on the button down there, and then it start working. But then let's just head straight to the video and then try to show you how it works. First of all, we want to try to see what this blender is going to do. So I am putting water inside the blender, and as you know, if you put on the on button, you have to press it like twice for the instruction or for the for it to start working. Yeah, so as you can see, the water is spinning because there's a 6 blade inside the blender, and so it's spinning the water and all that. So you can see that, yeah, there is power in it. But how about when you stock them up with fruit? Now we are going to fill the blender up with fruit and then see how it's going to operate. So here is the video. As you can see, it's really struggling to even split the fruit into smaller pieces, talk more or less blending it. However, it's not surprising that this blender is behaving this way, and from what you're seeing, you should be able to make your decision as to whether you should get this blender or not. Okay, or if you should even invest your money in it. But if you still feel that you need it, then maybe you should reduce the quantity much lower than what you're seeing on this video, and then try to cut the fruit into much smaller pieces and reduce the quantity of the fruit as much as possible. You should not even try all those hard fruit like carrot and all that in here. But even if you want to try it, maybe you should cut it into very small cubes, and yeah, maybe the blender will do that. Or in subsequent video you might decide to do that, but I'm not sure I'm going to go into that next time. But from here you should know what this blender is capable of doing or not capable of doing, so you can make your decision from here. And then that's all for today's video. See you next time. Thank you.